What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to move Fortnite to another folder, another drive, or even another PC without having to re-download the entire game again. By default, Fortnite installs on your C drive, usually inside the Epic Games folder. If you're running out of space or upgrading to a new drive or PC, this method lets you reuse your existing game files and save a ton of time. First, you'll want to back up your Fortnite folder. Open File Explorer and go to where Fortnite is currently installed. By default, this is usually inside the Epic Games folder on your C drive. Once you find the Fortnite folder, right-click it and copy it. Paste that copied folder somewhere safe, like another drive or an external USB drive. Don't paste it directly into the final install location just yet. A temporary folder works best for now. Once the copy process finishes, you can move on to the next step. If you're moving Fortnite to a different drive on the same PC, you'll need to uninstall Fortnite from its current location. Open the Epic Games Launcher, go to your library, click the settings icon on Fortnite and choose Uninstall. This only removes the original installation, not your backup copy. Now it's time to start installing Fortnite again. In the Epic Games Launcher, click on Install on Fortnite. When prompted, choose the new location where you want Fortnite to live, such as a different drive or folder. Make sure the folder is empty or Epic Games will show an error. Let the install begin, but only briefly. Once the launcher moves past initializing and starts showing installing, cancel the download and completely close the Epic Games Launcher. Next, go to the new Fortnite folder that Epic Games just created. This folder will mostly be empty or partially downloaded. Now take your backed up Fortnite folder and move it or copy it into this new location. If Windows asks whether you want to replace files, choose Yes. This overwrites the incomplete download with your full game files. After that, reopen the Epic Games Launcher and click on Resume on Fortnite. The launcher will scan the files instead of downloading them again. You'll see a verifying process instead of a full download. If any files are missing or outdated, Epic Games will only download what's needed. Once verification finishes, Fortnite will be fully installed in the new location and ready to play. This same method also works when moving Fortnite to a new PC. Just install the Epic Games Launcher on the new computer, start the Fortnite install once, cancel it, copy your backup folder into the new install location, and resume the download so Epic can verify the files. And that's it. That's how you move Fortnite to another folder, drive, or PC without re-downloading the entire game. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.